Welcome student, this is your chapter 3rd book exercise and copy work. So let's start it. This is your check your skills. First is objective type questions. Take the correct answer. What name is given to the fiber which is shiny and lustrous like silk? Answer is rayon. Which repeating units combine to form polymers? Answer monomers. What name is given to such plastic which get deform easily on heating and can be bent easily? These are thermoplastic. Which 4 R's principle should be adopted to save the environment? These are reduce, reuse, recycle, recover. Now, fifth one, which of the following fiber is obtained from acrylonitrile? Is acryl. Fill in the blanks. First, dash was the first pure synthetic fiber. Is nylon. Plastic are polymer of dash compound. Which compound? The compounds are carbon. Dash is also called as artificial silk. The artificial silk is rayon. Plastics are the polymers of dash compounds. These are repeating again. The answer is carbon. Polyester is the polymer of ester. True false. PET stands for polythene terephthalate. Is false. Bakelite is thermoplastic. False. Polyester is a synthetic fiber. True. Nylon has the highest tensile strength among all the synthetic fibers. True. Rayon is also known as cellulose polymer. True. Match the column. Thermoplastic is polythene. Polyester is terephthalate. Thermosetting plastic is butylene. Cellulosic polymers are rayon. Polyamides are nylon. This is your copy work. What is a polymer? Okay, define tensile strength of a material. Tensile strength is a pulling force required to break a material. List 2 use of rayons. Rayon is bright and lustrous, therefore it is used to make clothes and accessories. Second one is rayon is strong, so it is used in making carpet. Name the fibers which are mixed to obtain polycot. Cotton and polyester fibers are mixed to obtain polycot. What are the 4 R's for management of plastic waste? Reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. Short answer type question. List the difference between natural and man-made fibers. The fibers answer. The fiber which occur in nature are called natural fibers. Example cellulose, silk, wool, protein, etc. Write the fibers which are made by man are called man-made fibers. Example rayon, nylon, etc. Why is rayon known as regenerated fibers? Because its formation involves regeneration of cellulose, that is during its preparation. Cellulose is regenerated by first dissolving it in sodium hydroxide and then in carbon disulfide. List some use of nylon. It has high tensile strength, so used for making rope, tires, cords, etc. It can be bended easily. It processes drift, dry properly, therefore using swim. What are the advantages of synthetic fibers? They are easy to clear, clean and dry quickly. They are less expensive than natural fibers. They have long fiber life than natural fibers. They are mostly wrinkle free. Difference between thermoplastic and thermostatic plastic. First is thermoplastic. They are stretched easily. They are softened and on melting. They can be reshaped by modeling. Thermostatic plastic. They are hard and rich. They do not soften on melting. They cannot be molded. Long answer type question. First one, write short notes on the following. These are the first is polyester. It is a synthetic fiber. It is the polymer of ester. It is made for petroleum products, tyrene, dacrons, and terretes are polyester. Acrylic. It is also known as a acrylon or Orion. It is a fiber obtained by the polymerization of molecules of acrylonite, which is petroleum product. It is used as an alternative of wool because it is warm, soft and lightweight. It is used in sweaters, blankets, shawls, etc. Synthetic fiber. These fiber prepared in laboratories, which are mostly the polymers, either made from petrochemical or from cellulose. These fibers differ from one another in their strength, water absorbing capacity, cost, durability. Rope, rayon and nylon are the example. Plastic. It is polymer made of long of carbon, chain of carbon and other element. Plastics are man-made polymers. They can be easily molded on heating. Describe the general property of synthetic fibers. The general property of synthetic fibers are first, tensile strength. The pulling force which is required to break material is called tensile strength. The greater the tensile strength of a fiber, the greater is the load its yarn can bear. Second, action of water. Natural fibers absorb water quite effectively as compared to synthetic fiber.